guys, it's me, Omega Mud. Today we are unboxing a Hot Wheels V-Color. It's Subaru BRZ with white, blue, black and red from J Imports 35 with 48 out of 250. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. There's a Subaru trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have gray front bumper, pan to side, rear with white big spoiler, driver side, and roof. And the code says U60, that's the code. Okay, and that's all for now. Okay, and please be sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in next video.